Another one. Over the boundary for 26 run coming from this over. First over has been completed. It's a big over for Royal Line. Royal Line needs this type of shots to win this match. Left batsman back dot will keep strike. The opener batsman still has increased. Both opener batsmen. Just number 14 bowler, second bowler for this first tail.